How to recover your Uber account. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the tutorial. First thing first, open the Uber app on your iOS or Android device. On the login screen or home screen of the Uber, simply continue with the process. There, after you continue, you will get to see options available. Continue with Apple, continue with Google, or continue with email. If you have used email, then simply tap on the continue with email option available there. After you continue with email, all you have to do is enter the email address or phone number associated with your Uber account, and they will send you a verification code. You'll have to check your email inbox or SMS for a password reset link or verification code, and click the password reset link in your email or enter the verification code you received via SMS. And you will be redirected to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.